Well guys, it's been a week since I put a video up, and I do apologize for that. Busy with work and everything else, and trying to wrap my head around this 458 that just don't seem to want to live. I got the scope tonight. I'm going to probe the outputs down here, as one of your subscriber suggested. So this is going to be number one. We're going to see what's going on here, maybe. But you ever get the feeling that you're going to get somewhere and you might actually get it to work? You ever get that feeling? Well, I don't got it. I really don't got it. This is one hell of a hard nut to crack. I know there's people out there now probably saying, boy, it's this and it's that, and why don't you test this and you test that. Yes, I'd love to get this thing working. Don't get me wrong. I would love to see this 458 put out some power, and I would love to see it. I want to see it. The radio deserves it to transmit again. But I've put a lot of time into this. A lot of time to get absolutely nowhere with it. It comes a point that you gotta ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth it in the end to put so much time into a project that doesn't want to, that you're not seeing any results from? I spent countless hours on this thing and getting absolutely nowhere with it. I mean, do we just put the cover back on the radio and say to hell with it? Well, I've been asking myself that question for quite a while right now. Should I just put the cover on it, ship it back, and say, radio just can't be done, can't be fixed? Well, I just can't do that. I just really can't. I got to figure out what in the hell is wrong with this radio. What is causing the power to be such, pardon my French, but wire transmitters is being such an asshole. Why is this 458 being such an asshole? Oh. But anyway. So yeah, after that little distraction there by Mrs. Maureen. Yeah, so this 458, I can't give up on it. I really can't. I just can't do it. I just can't, boys. I just got to keep at it. I got to figure out what the hell's going on with this. I got to make this radio sing again. The 458, the UPD-858 board deserves a chance to live again. We all agree with that. I agree, you agree, we all agree, the whole world agrees. It's a very nice board. Everybody's well aware of what this type of board can do. Hell, even I'm well aware of what this board can do. But yeah. But no, we'll keep at her. So anyway, let's break those scope out and see if we can't somehow find a problem with this radio. See if we can't see where the RF current is, or the RF power is dropping out. We're going to start the pre-driver. We're going to actually check the whole circuit. We're going from the pre-driver to the driver to the final to the antenna, and we're going to check with a scope, with this here scope, and we're going to see where the hell the power is going. Because there's one thing for sure, it sure as hell is not getting to the antenna connector. Why? Well, hopefully my oscilloscope will tell me, or at least give us some kind of hint as to why why it's not getting there. Anyway, enough of my my gob gacking here. Let's break the scope out, get this radio on, and see what in the name of Lord Jumping Dimes is going on here. Okay, boys, not sure how well you can hear me. Hopefully you can. So basically what we're going to do here now is we're going to try the audio off the driver. This is the RF input of the driver, which should be on the base. This is from the pre-driver. Test 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So we got power on the base. So now we're going to put the probe on the collector of the driver. I'll run the collector. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. So we got lots of power from the collector. Safe to say the driver's working. So now from the collector to the base of the final, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. So yeah, as you can see, 1 2. So I got lots of power on 1 2 3 4 5. Lots of power on the collector of the driver. Base of the final, on the other hand, close to nothing. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2, and then we'll go over to the antenna connector. 1 2. So yeah, this is weird. 1 2 3 4 5. We got lots of power on the collector, but from the collector to the base of the final, all the power is disappearing. So the final is not getting enough. It's not getting any RF energy. That's what it seems like right now. Okay, so this is what's happening here according to the scope. C174, center of your screen, and C173. The collector of the base, or the collector of the driver to SC1306. The collector is outputting RF power to 174 and 173. The right hand side of C173 has full RF power there. The left hand side of C173, which is a 180 picofarad capacitor, very little RF power. So the power is disappearing between the, I'd say, between the base of the 1307 and C173. All the power is disappearing there. So the question remains, why is the power disappearing on the base of the final? Well, I shouldn't say replaced, but I checked to the best of my ability. I've checked, what have we checked here? C172 I've checked. R204, have I checked 204? Yes, 204 I've checked. VR16 I've checked. D51 I've checked. R179. Have I checked R179? Which is right there. R179, I've not checked R179. Okay, so we're down here. Okay, so this R179 right there. R179. This should be a 15 ohm resistor. And then we've got R219, which I have checked. 219, I checked, which was okay. 47 ohms. So we got R179 right here. That there resistor should be 15 ohms. Well, we're going to check that and see where that's to. And then we've also got L44, which is right there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Is it possible L44 might be open? Let's check R179 and L44 here. Let's see if these two little buggers are actually doing anything. Interesting. I forgot to check these guys.